Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing y'all a tutorial of what I like to call VirtualBox. As you can see here, we have our two things that we need. So we'll open up Oracle VM, and what you want to do is you want to press New and type in Windows 7, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it I'll just call it that. And if you, whatever you want to do, whatever version you're putting on there, but we're doing Windows 7 64-bit, so we'll click next, and I'm going to put in 8096, which is 8 gigabytes of RAM. We click next, and we will use a existing hard disk. And we will create now. What you want to do if you do not have a let's say you don't have a drive that you want to use, like if you don't want to use any of these, you can create a virtual hard disk drive from here, so that'd be fine. You can also plug in a USB drive that you can remove, and you go to manage this computer, and you can go to disk management, and let's say I want to make a virtual hard disk drive. So we go down to our removable disk, and we click on that, go to action, create virtual hard disk. I'm going to create VHDX, which you can put more space if you want to. We'll go hard drive 4. We'll click save, and we'll put 2 terabytes and hit OK. And we'll go down, and since this is, and we will initialize disk and put on master boot record and press OK. And now we'll go to unallocated space, and we will put new simple volume, and we'll just leave it like how it is and leave it how it is over here, and we will rename this like Tom's Drive, and we'll hit next and hit finish, and we wait until it's in healthy, and until it says healthy, and then we'll close that, and then you can use what you want to use. Okay, so now we will now that we have this recording, we will, okay, so we will, since that is not working, I will have to go to settings, system. We will put on a new I forgot to tell y'all this. We will put one more processor, disable floppy, go to storage, and select or choose a virtual optical disk, and we will add downloads. Actually, we will create. No, we will do this. No, we will choose a disk file. And we will choose our Windows 7 ISO. And then we go to display, enable 3D acceleration, max that out. And then if you want to do recording, you can, but we'll just keep it like this for now. And whatever you want to change your audio to, that's up to you. And whatever you want to do, when you can select your machine folders. I would like to, let's say you want to select one. So you go to this PC and you select your drive folder. So I'll just select this and turn it on auto mount and hit OK. And hit OK there. Okay, so now that we have our ISO installed, we will start. And now that it's loading files, okay, and now we will wait for it to load, and let's go ahead and put our view mode into full screen mode. Okay, and now that we've went into here, so I'm just gonna keep it how it is right here, but if you want to change it, you can. Click next and install now. And we'll just wait until the setup has started. And whatever version, if you are using a 32-bit version, then select the times 86. But I'm using a 64-bit, so I will use the I will use the one that says 64x64. Now I'm going to use professional because that's what I want to use, and we'll hit next, accept the license terms, click next, custom, drive options, new, apply, okay. And you don't have to format it, but I'm going to do that because I want to. Okay, now we got that done. Hit next. And I will see you guys whenever this is finished. Okay, so we're going to type in a username that you want to use. I'll just put in Evan the Great. And we don't need a password right now, so we'll just hit next. We can just skip this. I'll show y'all how to activate this without the product key. select install important updates only, and set your time for September 1st, 12/24. So that's good for now. It is actually 12. It's actually 12. It is actually 12/24. So, oh well, we can just keep it how it is. It doesn't matter. And I would recommend Home Network for VirtualBox for your virtual machine. And it's gonna start finalizing our settings. Okay, so now that we are in our desktop, we are going to go into MS. We're going to type in msconfig. And we're gonna click on that. And what you're wanting to get, and what you want to do is turn on safe boot, hit OK, and then restart. And now we're just going to go to we're going to go into start computer, and we're just going to go to devices and insert guest additions, and we're just going to right click that, open, and we're going to, and if you're using 32-bit, click this. If you're using 64-bit, click AMD 64. So I'm using a 64-bit, so we'll go to here and open. And we'll hit next and next, and make sure that all of these are checked. Press install and wait for this to start installing. Always, and check mark, always trust software from Oracle Corporation, and install. And now what you want to do is you want to select I want to manually reboot later. Finish. X out of this. Start msconfig. If my keyboard wants to work. And now we start up msconfig. We go to boot, uncheck safe boot, and hit OK and restart. And now what you want to do is go back to devices, optical drives, and remove disk from virtual drive. That way we don't get prompt. Okay, as you can see, it automatically put our resolution in. And now what you want to do is go to Internet Explorer. Okay. And now what you want to search up is Google. So search up google.com. And Internet Explorer is pretty slow, so we just have to be patient. I'll just click Ask Me Later. X that. And we will search up Firefox. And we will just we'll just click that. Download Firefox. Click Run. Click Run. Click Yes. And we'll just be patient and wait for this to download. And now that it's downloaded, we will make Firefox my default browser. Not now. We'll just hit New tab, and we can go ahead and close Internet Explorer. And we'll go ahead and do this, and search up Windows Loader 2.2.2. And we'll go here, and we'll go down until we see the download button, and click download, and you'll be brought to a mega file. Accept all cookies and download. Now that it's completed, press OK, go back to downloads, go back, Windows Loader, extract all. Click X on that. Go in here, copy and paste, click X, click Wind, WSL, run. Enter password, Control V, and we'll just wait for this to load. It takes a little while. Press yes. And we'll just wait for this to load. And we'll go ahead and close this while we're waiting. Okay, and now you will see all of the stuff right here, and we will press install. And we'll wait here just for a little bit because this takes a while, so we have to be patient. And now we will click restart. And we're just going to go ahead and click X on here. Go to your Windows icon, right click Computer, go to Properties. And now it will say status not available, but in a few seconds it will say Windows is activated. So I think that will do it for my this will do for my machine, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all later.